Do you ever describe your business as your baby or feel that your business is something personal to you? What if I told you that thinking like this was actually making business harder for you and that you need to think about your business in a completely different way to get the success that you want? Hey, Andrew Woodward here, and on this channel we focus on the best online marketing strategies that grow your wealth, build a long-term business and allow you to work from anywhere using nothing more than your laptop and a Wi-Fi connection. And in this video, I'm going to show you how looking at your business in a completely different way will actually make it better, simpler, and a lot more fun. Sounds good, right? Of course it does. The old way of looking at your business is made up of a few different factors. The first is that you probably see your business as a job, just without the annoying boss. You're working every day to get some success, and initially it feels like a job, right? It's not what you intended when you got started. You started this business to get away from having a job, to gain some freedom and feel like you were in control, am I right? Well, I'll get to how you can have that feeling shortly. The next thing about the old way to look at your business is that you see it as hard work. Again, you gave up your job, or at least have plans to give up your job because you want to get away from this daily grind of hard work day after day. Well, first up, success in anything does require some hard work. However, the type of hard work that you're doing right now feels exactly the same as having a job. So you want to change that. You want to get that feeling of ease and flow, and I'll get to that too. However, if you are stuck in the old way of thinking about your online business, it probably just feels like more of the same hard work day after day. You're in this grind of working really hard to get results. And if you're just starting out and doing your online business as a side hustle while still holding down a full-time job, then the grind is hard. The grind is draining you of energy and making you tired all the time as you try to cram as much as you can into every day to grow your business. I know what that's like. I was there too. I've been in that position and I know what it's like. It's not a lot of fun, right? And the final factor of the old way is that you probably look at your business like it's your baby. I get it. It's important to you. It means a lot for you and your future. However, there's a problem with this type of thinking that is preventing you from growing. So we need to change that, right? Okay, so that is the old way of thinking about your business. Let's look at the new way and how it's going to support you to get the success you desire more effectively. The new way to think about your business is simply to see it as a machine. Yep, a machine. All the aspects of your business are just cogs in the machine. And your job, your role, is to get the cogs working together efficiently. So what does that mean? Well, you know there are a number of key aspects to your business. Things like sales or getting new leads, email marketing, fulfillment, and customer support. These are the main aspects of your business, right? These are the cogs of your machine. The goal is to automate as much of these cogs as you possibly can and get them working efficiently together without needing you to do everything or for you to have to be constantly grinding. We all know that a steam train works most effectively when all the wheels are moving efficiently. They're being fueled effectively and the components are all working together to propel the train forward. And when it's in full steam, it's a beautiful thing to see. Everything looks so smooth and efficient. It's the same with your business. You need to see it as a machine and get the components working together efficiently. You want it to be automated as much as possible so it works without you having to grind all day, every day. I like to describe this as the flow state. You want your business to be in the flow state. It's like the zone that elite athletes describe where everything just happens so easily with flow. You want your business to be in this flow state, the zone. And the only way to do that is to remove yourself wherever possible. And to remove yourself, you need to have the cogs of the machine working in an automated and effective manner. So automation might be simply things like creating your email sequences or outsourcing some aspects of your business to someone who can do the mechanical elements for you far quicker and cheaper than you can do, such as image design or video editing, these types of things. The key is that you don't want to treat your business as your baby, as that leads to an emotional attachment that makes it difficult for you to let go of things, to give it the space to grow. If it's your baby, you're likely to hold on tight and restrict your growth because you aren't prepared to let go of things, to let the machine do its thing. When you see your business as a machine and you get the cogs working together, everything flows more simply and easily, and you can grow it at a far quicker way. To get to the position where you wanted to when you first started, the freedom you wanted, the time and money freedom, you need to let go, release the struggle. Build the machine one cog at a time and get your machine working efficiently. And when you do this, you'll get the results you want and the freedom you want. Well, I hope today's video was helpful for you and gave you some ideas on how to grow your business with a different perspective. And if you're looking to get started in affiliate marketing and you want to know the basics of what's required to get set up the right way, we're giving away access to a free training course called Affiliate Bootcamp that you can access by clicking the link in the description, and let's get you set up and started with affiliate marketing the right way and earning an income in the next 30 days. And if you're really serious and you'll pay attention because you want to make this a full-time income, then join my Inner Circle program where you can get some personal support to get you established quickly and on your way to the laptop lifestyle that you dream about. Thanks for watching today's training. Don't forget to get access to the affiliate marketing training courses to get you started. Click the links in the description and let's build your business like a machine in the next 30 days. So click down there. And to continue to get these free training videos, make sure you click on the subscribe button and the little bell to get notified when a new training is released. It's the simplest way to ensure that you don't miss any of the good stuff and you get access to everything that I'm doing or using to grow my business so you can grow yours. And do me a favour, click the like button and leave me a comment below to let me know what you thought of this training. I'll read all the comments and reply to each one. And don't forget, to get access to the free affiliate marketing training and the high ticket program I recommend, click the links in the description and let's get you building your machine